Now listen to this. This is how you fish for twats. Remember I said to you, I've shown you all the videos of them hacking my internet, my laptop, my tablet and my TV.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy
I'm on the
at the moment.
phone
Please hold and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
and they're playing game. They hear that? With the digits. So I'm going to fish for them. Watch this. Now listen to, hear that? Reply.
Good afternoon, you see Universal Credit. It's Natalie speaking. How may I help you?
Yeah, hi Natalie. Just give me 1 second, sorry, please. Are you still there? Oh yeah, that's fine. I'll change that. I'm just blocking you off speakerphone. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm just trying to make an appointment. Like a first appointment, please. It's Brannigan. It's BRANNIGAN.